What's going on, YouTube? Are you a ranch or an Italian type person? I guess it doesn't really matter if you don't have any lettuce to go with it. So today I want to talk about how easy it is to grow loose leaf lettuce, spring mix, mesclun, I don't know. Like, there's a bunch of different names, right? Depending on where you're from. But essentially, you can grow lettuce super easy, right? You don't need a big tub. You just sprinkle some seeds in a container, drop about a 1/4 inch of soil over it, keep watering it, let it grow, and eventually you'll be able to come back when it's about 4 inches tall and just clip it about an inch above the soil, and it'll grow back. And you can keep clipping it and it'll grow back, and you can keep clipping it and it'll grow back. Let me show you an example of what it looks like when it's a little more mature. So this is lettuce I started probably about a month ago. Lettuce is super tolerant to frost. So if you're getting really close to the beginning of your growing season, this is something you can actually start and not worry about it getting killed by frost. But essentially this is tall enough now to where I can go roughly an inch above the soil and clip, and now I've got loose leaf lettuce. And tonight, as we have dinner, my wife and I can actually have a spring mix with some ranch or Italian, whatever your favorite is. And this is gonna grow back. Now we'll monitor this and I'll revisit, because I guarantee here in a little bit, maybe another month, them stinking caterpillars are gonna find it. And that's when we're gonna talk about that Monterey BT that I talked about. But if you're trying to encourage yourself to eat some vegetables, some type of loose leaf spring mix, mesclun, however you want to pronounce it, that's the way to go. Super easy to grow, super tolerant to colder temperatures. Just keep it moist, watch it grow. You'll be able to harvest quite a bit for months on end. So if you have any comments, put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and get notifications so you can get my future videos. Thanks. See you around.